You can spend the night beside her, and you know that she's half crazy, but that's why you wanna be there. As you feed your tea and oranges that come all the way from China, and just when you mean to tell her that you have no love to give her, then she gets you on her wavelength, and she lets her ever answer that you've always been a lover. Now you want to travel with him, and you want to travel blind, and you know that she will trust you, for you've touched her perfect body with your mind. Not escape. Zeg jij eens liever bij mijn fluister? Zeg jij eens liever bij mijn fluister? Dat een mij wordt.